This program is called Bambu Studio. Like I said, he's gonna print this and this base. Okay, go ahead, Kenny.
And then it's downloaded.
So he's downloaded. Is this okay?
It's an STL file.
This is the STL file. Let's slide over to the other thing. See how he's moving it around and everything. So he's gonna print. This is the tree of life, and this is the stand that this is going to be sitting on, and this is going to print first. It's going to take 5 hours. And then, so that is that the slicer itself right there?
This is the slicer.
Okay, this program is called a slicer, Dad. And that's how you can resize things. You can do things to it. He's going to print it in gold material. So we're going to
go in here and edit this, because right now it shows that it's marble. That's their chosen color.
Okay, you don't have marble. Okay, so he's going to edit that and change it to, you know what? Don't do gold.
It would look better in white.
Yeah, do it in white.
Well, I have white already loaded.
Okay, so he's going to do it in white.
Okay.
And right now you're just doing everything that...
Yeah.
And so are you sending it to the printer?
Not yet, because I want to... I can send it to the printer right now.
No, let me do the whole process.
Okay, so I slice the plate.
Yeah, explain what you're doing. Because this is new to me too.
Slicing the plate. Slice the plate. Yeah, it's...
And the quality...
Yeah, it's all sliced.
And the quality is going to be like of that little trash can quality?
Yeah, it should be. It depends on whatever their...
how they set it up.
Yeah.
Okay, the guy that made it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like that one that takes 22 hours, that's probably a 0.2 nozzle.
Uh-huh.
And it'll give it like a factory finish. But
okay.
I don't like the 0.2 nozzles. It uses too much material. I don't know how much. I'm not sure on how material's used yet.
Okay. Okay.
So I haven't gone past 0.4. But 0.4, you've seen 0.4.
Yeah, that's fantastic.
Everybody uses 0.4.
Okay. And so this is going to be done at 0.4.
This is the standard. Yeah.
Okay.
See where it says diameter 0.4?
Okay. Okay.
And the flow is standard, but you can choose 0.2.
So if you go
0.2 is that 22-hour one.
Okay. All right. So stick with 0.4, I guess.
And 0.6 would even be faster. 0.8 would just fly through.
Okay. And
then you can change this to standard or high flow, where it'll just throw the material out.
No, leave it. You know.
Okay. So we're gonna go
explain everything you're doing.
So it's been sliced. It uses what's called G code. So all the G code has been put in, and then you go to print plate. And it shows this plate right here, this piece right here is going to be 2 hours and 22 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
This is the machine that we're using. It's printing on. This is the material. I need to change this to external, because I'm using the external
roll of PLA.
Yeah, well, they're all rolls of PLA. I'm using the external heater.
Okay.
Dryer. There's an AI assistant, and it says, hey, why don't you try using the external spool, to learn how to use that. So that's what I'm doing. Okay. So I switch it to external PLA, and then and it's in this color white. Mm-hmm. So these are the ones on the internal. This is the external. So that's the one we're using. And then I hit send. Now we just go out to the printer.
Okay, now we're to the printer. Oh wow, there's the picture of it right there.
Yeah. And this unit here is the external. This is the internal.
And so you can see the.
And then.
There's the print head in there, Dad, with the material. That white tube, so to speak, is the material.
Yeah, and then it's heating that's the extruder. That's the head and the extruder. You can see that it's heating it up.
Okay.
And it's gonna level the bed. You'll see it go all over the place and level the bed.
Oh, wow. Okay.
You'll see. What you're seeing is the whole process. And then it shows right here the time. It shows 0% completed.
Mm-hmm. Now, Dad, explain
this.
this.
These are filament dryers. This is a AMS. This is an automatic material system. This came with it.
Okay.
And it'll hold 4 filaments. And filaments are very hydroscopic, which means they absorb water. Yes. This one will dry your filaments, but if you start collecting filaments, you get filament dryers, and you can also print from these.
Okay.
So we're printing from this one, and like right now I'm heating this chamber, and you touch it, it's hot.
Wow. Okay.
And that's the wood PLA. I haven't tried it yet. I still need to do some research on that. This is PET. No, this is PLA.
Plus.
Tough PLA.
Tough PLA.
And this is regular gold PLA.
Okay.
That's what we printed some of Melanie's stuff with.
Okay.
And then this is white, but all these except for this one is off. This is a Bambu Labs brand. These are off brands, but you can choose all that in here.
Okay. So, what is it doing like right now?
It tells you it's changing it. Well, its filament's already changed. Let me see, make sure I did it right. See how it's rotating there?
Yeah. Wow. So, let me see that.
It's pulling.
Okay, so Dad, it's pulling material. That material, and it's feeding it into
that tube right there.
There's a little tube right there.
You might be able to see better from here.
Okay. There's a little tube right there, and that head is where the material is gonna go. It's getting heated.
Yeah, it's at 240 Celsius. It's like 300 something degrees right now. It's like
right
an
there,
oven.
And it's melting. It's gonna melt that material, and it's gonna lay it down on that plate and pass
Exactly. And like this inside of the chamber it shows you everything. The chamber is heated to 55 degrees Celsius, which is like 170 degrees or around there. 100. Mm-hmm. And then at the fan, which is that fan right there, it's like 32 degrees Celsius. Some materials need that to be fanned while they're being laid.
Okay.
So
now this machine, Dad, does one color at a time, but you can put any color in it.
Yeah.
Now he's got another one
coming.
It'll
do color changes, but it'll produce waste.
Okay.
Over here, so.
Okay.
And I've done it.
And he printed this little thing, this container.
Yeah,
he even made that.
Yeah, I printed this and this whole.
He printed this holder. All the stuff he made with
this. Printed this.
He printed this. He printed this trash can.
Printed this.
He printed that. Wow.
And then I printed it, and it stores. Oh, this is like for when I'm drilling, using my drill to drill holes in the wall.
You made that? You printed that? Wow.
That way it catches the dust from a drill.
Wow. Okay.
And then I printed some tools. You know, like this is to you put it. So right now it's gonna level the bed.
So right now it's leveling the bed.
It'll jump all over the place and level the bed. So there's like a barcode over there that it uses to scan. So it's doing that. And it tells you, says like right here, it says cleaning nozzle tip now.
So wow, so it cleans the nozzle tip every time you print.
Every time, yeah.
Nice.
And then it's showing right now it's at 1%.
So this base is going to take
2 hours.
2 hours to print.
2 hours and 20 minutes.
And then another, I guess, 3 hours to print the other piece. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah. And this white PLA prints really good. It prints. See how it prints? It prints clean.
That is nice.
And that's not even Bambu Labs PLA.
That is really
nice.
This
PLA right here is like $9 on Amazon. So now it's leveling the bed.
Okay, so we're gonna watch this for a second. So still leveling the bed, Dad.
See how it's touching.
Oh wow, that's crazy.
So Dad, yesterday we were talking, and I said that I waited, See, I was leveling the bed. You used to have to do that manually.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and you would have to mess with these rods. But now it does it automatically. You don't have to worry about it. So that's what it's doing.
And this whole machine, Dad,
See
weighs
where it
over...
says auto bed leveling. That's what it says.
It's auto bed leveling right there. So this whole machine weighs over 100 pounds.
And it's on these thick rubber feet. Like when it starts printing, it shakes violently, but it's supposed to do that. That shaking is actually like a gimbal counterbalance.
Right.
See, it says vibration compensation.
Man, this is crazy.
So you heard that?
Yeah.
That's what it did.
This is some serious tech right here.
Okay, it's getting ready to start printing.
Okay, so it's starting printing right now.
It's going to lay a bead right there, a white bead. A test bead. It always does that.
One test bead.
Yeah. And it's going to go instantly into printing from there.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah.
I see the little white bead.
And now it's printing.
So now it's printing, Dad. Look, I hope you can see that. That's the outline of the product.
See how it just lays it down?
That's crazy. Now, Dad, that's actual material. That's plastic.
And you up here, you can see it's pulling it.
So that it's laying down that plastic and it's making the product. But if you look up here, you can see it pulling.
That's
slowly pulling the material off of this spool. And you see that white line, that's where the material is going through.
Yeah.
And it's laying it down right here.
It came out good.
Now that's actual material being laid down on this bed, and it's going to get thicker and thicker. I'll check back with you later.
See how the whole thing starts to shake?
Yeah. That's crazy.
It'd be up here just shaking like crazy. Start getting down and just like going nuts.
Just laying down that material. That's crazy.
Oh, and this right here, I printed this to protect the door. There's a door that opens up. And
you printed this right here?
Yeah. It's a door protector. See, that's the door. Right there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
And I went ahead and used 2-color, printed that.
Really?
Yeah, I printed that in white.
Man. I don't know if you can see that, but there's some, it's got some depth. You can see some, it's getting thicker, so to speak.
So,
okay, so
this is the app.
This is the app, Dad.
Bambu Handy.
Okay.
And then you just, hold on, let me close out of it. That's the app. I just open it. And I can just type something in. Like it knows what you and I are messing with. So it automatically went to that type of stuff.
Okay.
You know, it's like, hey, you might like this other stuff since you're printing this now.
Mm-hmm.
You know, we could have printed something like that.
Mm-hmm.
Has this in gold. You know, that's called a hue forge. That's advertisement for the C.
And you can show the progress of what we're doing now.
Yeah. So if I go to that's models. It's in models screen right now.
Okay.
If I go to device, it shows the device, which is the Enterprise 1. That's what we're printing. It's 23% in. So it'll go pretty far. And this is all like that's the hot end is right now is at 220 degrees Celsius. The bed is at 55 degrees Celsius.
So I can focus.
The chamber is 32 degrees Celsius. The speed is standard at 100%. The light is on and it's cooling. It has air conditioning, and it's air conditioning right now, so it's cooling.
Wow.
And then a lot of that weight is from the actual air conditioner. It has an air conditioner in it.
Right.
And then, like, let's say and then it has all the AI sensors. Like, if it starts to fail inside of there, it'll, the AI sensors, there's cameras in there. Like you can see one of the cameras here. Like see right here. If I hit that.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Are you serious?
And you see it's HD.
That's crazy. So
yeah,
there's a camera inside the printer.
Yeah, and
he can look at
it's monitoring
what it's doing.
And I can pause the print.
He's on his phone. We're on the phone on the couch. That's the printer over there. Yeah. And there's a camera in it. And now we can see what it's doing. Man, are you crazy? And see, Dad, I don't know if you can see, but it's got some depth to it now. Man, that's a good picture, too.
Yeah, it's HD.
Okay, Dad, I don't know if you can see, but when it first started, that was the first line right
there.
Look
how the infill
But now look how thick that material is getting. And this is the infill.
Hey, Holly. See, that's the infill. The other one would have had more densely packed infill, and that's why it was saying 22 hours. You don't need 22 hours
just for a base.
Exactly.
Oh, so I'm gonna see if you can see, Dad, how thick this material is being printed down now. And I'll check back with it later and get some more video. Okay, I'm checking back with it, Dad, and now hopefully you can see that it's getting higher. You know, the product is getting higher. And when it initially started, it was just that first little line, but now look how thick it is. You know how high it is in depth, so to speak. It's just laying down material. Okay, Dad, checking back in, and you can see the progress being made there. See how big it is? It's getting higher and higher. Like I said, this is the stand to the the tree of life, I'm sorry. Okay, Dad, this is almost done. The base to the tree of life. And this is it's finishing up right now.
Touch that screen, Kevin.
99%. Not many. I don't know how to really read it. It says 1 minute. It's showing 0 right now, but it's still. That is amazing. And this here is a progress bar.
Yeah, it'll turn green.
It'll turn green when it's completely done. So yeah, get some footage of all this whole process here. That's amazing. Wow. Okay, now Kenny's putting on some gloves.
What does it say?
What does it say there?
It says okay.
Hasta la vista. Okay, so explain again why you put on gloves.
So I don't get like oils and stuff.
Oil from his skin on the plate.
And it's magnets. You're held on with a magnet.
Oh, okay. Oh. Wow, look at that, Dad. Oh, man, that's some good quality. Man, that feels good.
So how do we do the next?
That's crazy. Wow.
So I think we go to the back to the computer.
Okay.
And then we print the second plate.
Okay, so Kenny's getting ready to print
The second plate.
The second plate, which is actually the tree of life. So go ahead and
let's click there.
he's double checking the material, I guess.
External.
Checking all the parameters, so to speak.
It should be in white. Wait. Oh, okay. Okay, my bad. All right, hold on. Go here. Slice plate. It's already been sliced. Print. External. This is gonna be 6 hours.
Wow, this one's 6 hours.
I don't know if there's 6 hours of the material on there. Let me see.
Okay, he had to go check to make sure that there was enough material.
Should be.
Should be, anyways.
And then just click send.
He clicked send, and
Now
it's
sending it to the.
sending
once
it.
this green bar goes to there, you can turn the computer off because the
Information is now in the printer once it goes all the way over.
there it is. There.
And like before, it's doing that little, little line of material. Now it's starting. It's crazy. You can see it laying down the leaves, I guess, and you can see see those little leaves on there? Well, that's what it's doing. And it's going to be about a 3/16 of an inch thick. That is too cool.
I think it's. Oh, wow. Look at that.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
It's amazing, dude.
Yeah, look at that, man. I didn't know it was going to do it like that. So it's going to actually have texture and.
This just simply blows my mind, dude.
Look at that, dude. at some point it's all going to be connected because
exactly.
It's going to come apart as one piece.
That's supposed to be the finished product right there. It's just laying down material.
5 hours and 51 minutes left.
So it's 5 hours and 51 minutes left.
Look at the side of the spool. There's still quite a lot of material there.
Yeah. Okay. So now, how much was that material? If you don't mind me asking.
I think it was $12.
Are you serious?
Yeah, for that spool. And we've used quite a bit of it already. She did the 3 Christmas gifts with the Taylor Swift thing or whatever.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Material goes a long way.
All right. Well, I'm gonna.
This is from that white, and that other one is from that white.
That's from that spool of $12.
From that spool, yeah.
Okay. And then that is from that same spool. Now they're printing he's printing the tree of life. And that's awesome.
So that one white spool went pretty far.
So we'll check back.
Now, if it doesn't
in a
make
few
it,
hours.
If it doesn't make it, we have to print it again in something else.
All right, folks. We'll check back with you in a few hours. All right, Dad. Okay.
Or you could have plugged your phone into it and it would have pulled it off.
Right off the phone.
Yeah.
A little bit of progress there. Check that out. Still got a ways to go, but just checking in for some progress. Check that out. This is crazy. Just watched a video about Bambu Labs. And this is okay, so this is what, Kenny? The Bambu Labs
H2S.
H2S.
It's the H series.
Oh, here we go. This is the H2S Professional Series, and we were watching some videos. This guy printed a T-Rex skull that was literally like 4 feet by 4 feet. It was huge.
Size of that TV?
It was the size of this TV, but he printed it with one of those, and the printer just did it in pieces, and the printer was going for 3 weeks straight. 3 weeks straight, non-stop. And it had 0 fails. When it comes to 3D printers, this particular model right here is the end-all be-all as far as quality, precision. You just don't have any errors. I mean, this is what you want to get. It's excellent. This is really nice. This. Now he's going to put right here. So this is the H2S, Bambu Labs H2S, and the one you're going to get after that is what?
The C.
The what now?
The C.
The C, the H2SC. Now that one allows you to print colors, different colors and stuff. Why you need $70 for gas in a Honda? What are you going to drive to London?
That's stupid. What are you doing? Why do you record everything?
That's what I do.
Did y'all just come over to? Did you just come over to watch cartoons?
Well, okay, so you can see we're making some serious progress here. See, it's got some dimension now. Roughly 2 hours, 9 minutes left. Excellent detail. We still got a ways to go, but it's looking really, really good there. Got some nice dimension. Very nice.
Pretty good size.
Yeah, looking really good. Okay, so we've come to the end. Less than a minute remaining. Kenny's putting on his gloves to take it out. Now this is the base right here. We finished that hours ago. Now it's finishing up. That's pretty neat, Dad. You can see the dimension, the depth. Doing this thing.
It's fast, ain't it?
Yeah, that's awesome.
And see those little, you can see the move, you can monitor the movement inside that screen right there, that orange deal right there. If you notice,
It's turning.
It's turning.
Yeah, I saw that earlier. So right now it's at 99%, 0 minutes remaining. Let's see what happens here.
It'll park
Back up.
itself.
Let me see.
And then the part that she puts forward, I would put the PEI part forward. Like when she puts it in the dill, put it PEI face forward.
Which means what?
The bottom of it, you'll see the texture. See that texture on the PEI?
Want that forward.
Yeah,
okay.
That's part of the, that's part
okay.
of, yeah.
I understand. That is so cool. That's the finished product, Dad.
It'll turn green here in a second.
Wow.
You just click OK. The first roll of 3. See, that's the AI thing. First roll of 3 is do talk about 3. Is telling you to talk about it. See, that AI bot is pretty cool.
Okay, so how you can get that out? Let me see. Hold on, let me see. Oh, so you just kind of...
Yeah.
Okay, just got it hot off the press, right out of the Bambu Labs H2S printer. It's got some weight to it. And remember, this was the first part of it, the base. And it just slides right in there, in that little slot. And there we go. Awesome. Awesome. Thank you very much, twin. Thank you very much. Love you, Kenny.